good, guys? Welcome back. Digital Slang. Today, another treat, another holiday special. The JHOs, the A9s, or the TWS, the 9Ds, that's what they're called on the website. Look, holiday season's here, and I dropped a video last week. I'll leave it in the cards, but I'm trying to find some crazy deals on some good tech, on some good buds for the holidays. You can buy one for yourself, buy it as a gift, do whatever you want. I don't know if we're going to find a better deal than these right here. These things cost 15 bucks. Now, it's on AliExpress, so it's going to be about 3 weeks for shipping. What you get and what you pay for, it's just a whole different level. These things are the powerbeatspro style. What we get for 15 bucks is pretty amazing. We're going to do all the testing, and I'm going to double check, but from what I've heard, from what I've seen, these things are still at 15 bucks. Let's just jump right in. I'll tell you what the specs are really quick. IPX7 water and dust resistance. 8 to 10 hours of playtime depending on the volume, and up to 30 hours of playtime with the case. These are physical buttons, and it's a multifunction button, and they do control everything. Play, pause, skip to the next track, go back to the previous track, answer and end phone calls, and the volume. These are the in-ear styles. Again, just like the powerbeatspro, you do get 3 different silicone tips for the best seal, so you can get the best sound. You can use either bud for phone calls. A 10-minute charge will get you 2 extra hours of battery life. Bluetooth 5.0, and the price tag, guys, 15 bucks. Let's check them out. Let's just jump right in. We'll open them up. We'll do all of the testing. We'll do a mic test. Listen to the sound quality. We'll check for latency. JHO A9s, 15 bucks. The box, the branding, picture on the front, the JHO A9s, TWS, true wireless earbuds, Bluetooth 5.0. On the back, it tells you can use the left or the right side, but let's just get into these. I want to check these guys out for 15 bucks. Kind of excites me. Here is the case. It's a nice pouch, hard plastic pouch, shell. We do have the charger here. It is a micro USB, but 15 bucks, I'm not going to complain about probably anything. And the user's manual, we'll check that out. And here are the extra tips. You do get small, medium, and large tips. Let's take a look at the buds themselves. And there they are, again, similar to the powerbeatspro. And these are your multifunction buttons here. It's kind of a matte finish, a matte black, and I dig anything matte black. It looks sharp. Now to connect these, you take these both out at the same time, and it automatically starts searching for Bluetooth connection. Let's connect them. We'll hook it up. So if we go into Bluetooth, Bluetooth is on, we take these out, and it pops up the JHO A9s. So let's connect. We are connected. We'll start all the testing. Now these things do feel pretty good in the ear. They're not heavy at all. Very light. Comfort-wise, they're pretty good. I don't have any problem with the fit. I don't know if I'll get fatigued wearing these, but right now they feel pretty good. I won't have a problem running or working out in them. They're not going to move off my head whatsoever. We'll start the testing. Let's do a sound test. We'll play some music. I want to hear how these things sound for 15 bucks. Sound quality is really good for 15 bucks. I'm not gonna lie. I want to hear another song because that sounded a lot better than I thought it would. Sound quality, I don't have any problems with. There is some bass. It's not, crazy, but it's there. You can hear it and you can feel it. Now, I do not think I have the best seal that I can get, because when I just touch these a little bit and push them in my ear a little more, the bass just hits, and I can feel it when it does that. So I probably should change the tips, but I'm good just like this. I could listen to these like this all day long. Sound quality is really good for 15 bucks. I have nothing bad to say about them. For this price, sound is fantastic. What you get and what you pay for, no problems whatsoever. These things already I'm going to recommend as a gift because they sound great. 15 bucks. You can't beat it. Let's play some music again. We'll try all of the touch functions and see how they work. Now, if you're getting a phone call, just one tap on either bud will answer or end the phone call. Again, these are physical buttons. It's not a tap like the AirPods. You do have to press the button. 2 taps should go to the next track and go back to the previous track. 1 tap will play and pause. 3 taps actually controls the volume, so we do get volume control. And if you touch and hold for, I believe, 1 second, we'll try it out, but you can activate your voice assistant, whether it's Android or whatever. And again, On Android, you would connect these the exact same way. So let's play some more music. We'll try all of these. One tap should play and pause. Pauses. If I hit it again, plays. Pause. Play. And it's instant. We'll try the left side. Pause. Push it again. Play. Push it. Play. So one tap on the right and the left will pause or play. The button is not difficult to push it all. I'm impressed. For 15 bucks, I'm pretty impressed so far. We'll play some more music. We'll try 2 taps on each side. It should go to the next track, and 2 taps on the left should go to the previous track. Play some music. 2 taps. Goes to the next track. Goes to the next track. Next track. Crazy how good it works. Back to the track. Back again. Guys, it's very smooth, no delay, works fantastic for 15 bucks. Once again, I'm just gonna say it, buy them right now. It's worth it for 15 bucks. We'll try 3 taps now. It should raise and lower the volume. Play some music again. Volume went up. If you watch right here, the volume goes up in sections. Went up again. Left side should go down. So touch controls work fantastic. One tap, if you're getting a phone call, will answer or end the call. One tap, no phone call. If you're just listening to content, will play or pause. 2 taps will go to the next track and go back to the previous track. 3 taps controls your volume. The right button goes up, the left button goes down. Now we'll try and activate Siri. If we touch and hold for about 1 second, she should come on. And it's no different on Android. If you touch and hold, Google Assistant will come on. So we'll play some more music. It beeps. What time is it, Siri? So touch controls work really well. Sound quality for a $15 product, I have no complaints, none whatsoever. They sound great for 15 bucks. Touch controls work smooth, and you can control the volume from the left and the right side. Now we'll do a mic test. These do have dual mics, so I'm hoping that the mic sounds pretty good. What up, guys? Mic test. JHO's A9s. $15. I'm hoping the mic sounds pretty good because so far these things are worth the money. Next test, we're going to try and use one at a time. We'll play some more music again. Take the right one out. Put it back in the case. Close the case. Still playing. Take this one back out. Put it in the ear. Take this out. Starts playing. So you can use one at a time. Works really well. Now, there is no in-ear detection. If I take one out, the other one just keeps playing. It will not pause. But again, touch controls will play and pause with just one tap, and it works really well. Next test, we'll check the latency, see if there's any delay between audio and video. So there's a slight delay. It's very minimal. I want to try another video just to double check that and make sure. Slight delay on the YouTube app. So we'll try Netflix, see if there's any delay on Netflix. No delay in Netflix. So it's just the YouTube app on iOS. We'll try it on an Android device. So we're connected to the Note 10 Plus. I want to check the latency on the Note 10 as well. So no delay on Android, and I'm not surprised by that. A lot of the TWS earbuds do have a slight delay on iOS for whatever reason, but it works perfectly fine on Android, and no delay on Netflix on either phone. So overall, look, these things are 15 bucks once again, and sound quality, touch controls for 15 bucks, guys, this is a steal. It really is. These things sound fantastic for the price. So the JHO, the A9s, what do you guys think? Let me know what you think. If they're worth 15 bucks, to me, it's a steal at 15 bucks. These things can easily go for 40, 50 bucks. They sound fantastic. Again, they're just like the powerbeatspro, that kind of style, the over-the-ear style. You can see in the case, you have your LED light here, and there is a magnet in here. So if you turn these over, they're not going anywhere. they're stuck in there. Like, the magnet is very strong, not going anywhere. It's a good design, good build for the price. You can't beat it for the price. You really can't. I'm going to keep saying it. So the TWS, the 9Ds, or the JHO, the A9s, whatever you want to call them. So battery life on these things is going to be really good. 8 to 10 hours of battery life, depending on the volume. Touch controls work fantastic. Sound quality is pretty good. You get that seal depending on the silicone tips that you use. You will get a better seal. You can hear some bass, and that's a good thing at this price point. IPX7 water and dust resistance. Let me know what you guys think. Is it worth 15 bucks? To me, hands down, it's worth 15 bucks. A lot of good things about this product at this price. It would make a great gift for the holidays. I'll drop the link below. Leave a comment. Let me know what you think. Hit that like button, guys. Subscribe to the channel. We'll be back soon with another video. Enjoy your night. Peace.